Alright YouTubers, it's time for a cooking video. Gonna try to do it quick. This is a pork tenderloin, peppercorn. So let's get moving with this. Alright, we're gonna cook this. We're gonna cook this in the NuWave oven. It's the mini. Fantastic for in the RV. Alright, they can be a pain to clean, so I put aluminum foil down and put a little cooking spray on it. Pork tenderloin, gonna get it here, cut it open. There we go. And these fit on the NuWave perfectly. It's like they were made for it. And that look nice. Clean up a little before we get too far along. We'll get out the handy dandy sheet. This will cook from frozen. It will cook from thawed, and this is somewhere in between. It says pork tenderloin. If it's frozen, 20 minutes aside. If it's not frozen, 10 to 12 minutes. The NuWave Mini is fantastic. One thing it is not able to cook as fast as NuWave tries to tell you that it'll cook. So even though this is partially thawed, I'm going to cook it like it's frozen, and I could possibly cook it longer as well. Alright, so cook time, 20 minutes. And away it goes. Alright, it is going to be beautiful. Sorry about the fan running, it's warm. Well, it's hard to see in there, but it's looking beautiful. The dome steams up a little bit on me. But I got 4 minutes left to go before I need to flip this. Hee-hee! I'm ready for a pork tenderloin. It's been 20 minutes. It's looking good. Something better to set this on because it got down in that goop. Alright, we'll just set it like that. Flip it. Oh wait. I'm gonna take a picture with the cell phone. Alright, that's halfway through. That's 20 minutes. Looking nice. Okay, now I can flip it. And now I'll put the top back on. We're gonna cook it for another 20 minutes. Alright, there's going to be other things to go with it. Here we go. Take that off. Set that nicely. You have to be very careful with these lids because they will crack. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut it. And again, like I said, NuWave is usually very optimistic is what I always like to say. And it's cutting through nicely. Some people might consider this heresy. How dare you do that? I dare, I dare. They look good though, don't they? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this back on. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes. Okay? Okay. I'm eating it, so it must be okay. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have with it. I have this pouch of cauliflower rice, microwavable 90 seconds, so I'm gonna have that. I have some leftover veggies that are gonna go in with that, and I also have in my Pampered Chef from the thrift store, I have some broccoli, and I'm gonna steam that in the nucleator. Down to 2 minutes, and that does look and smells fantastic. And this is the peppercorn version of it. I'm a big peppercorn fan, so I'm excited about this. Yay! This looks good. 2 thumbs up. I'm starving. And I have very patient, quiet cats. That is a good thing. There we go. It's all done. Alright. I got the cauliflower rice in the microwave. That beeping tells you it's cooking. Alright, we're going to get that going. Ooh, that's hot. That cauliflower rice is hot. What I'm going to do now... Ooh, I don't burn myself as I'm gonna open that up. Here I have some leftover peppers and mushrooms. I'm gonna dump them right in there. See me thinking here? Put that out of the way. Mix these in. I like cauliflower rice. I'm gonna take this, twist it like that. Set that out of the way. Kind of warm up that stuff, And now the nucleator, I'll do about 3 minutes. There that goes. All right, I had let this rest, but I put it on for another 2 minutes just to warm it up a little bit. And then we're gonna make the plate. Not being accosted by cats. Yay! It's not always easy traveling in a van with 2 cats. But usually, when it's time to eat, they pretty much leave me alone because I've fed them and they're off licking, cleaning their paws, or doing whatever they do after they eat. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna unplug it, open the top. I'm gonna take the 2 center cuts because, like I said, I'm hungry. Probably too much meat for me to be eating. I'll get everything settled. Move this over here, maybe. Everybody cooperate. Thank you. Now, I'm gonna dump some of this cauliflower rice with mushrooms and peppers. Oh, still steaming hot. Good, good, good. Save that for seconds. Or tomorrow, most likely, hopefully. Broccoli. Trying to think if I should try to film it while I sit down and eat it, or just take my first couple show you bites here. I think I'm going to take my first couple show you bites here. Broccoli. Steamed broccoli is my favorite. Put the couple last pieces back in the nucleator, because there is not a lot of space here, so you take what you got. My lemon juice for broccoli. I got some soy sauce that I'm going to put over the cauliflower rice. And now we're going to taste. So first thing we're going to taste is something I know I'm going to like. Broccoli. That thrift store Pampered Chef does a great job. Here's some mushrooms with the cauliflower rice. That's good. That's real good. Some peppers. Okay, time to get in that meat. That is cooked perfectly for me. Oh man. That is really good. I'm gonna have a second bite. Look at that. Look at that. Take a picture. Haven't done a flyover in a while. Broccoli. Look at that beautiful pork tenderloin. Cauliflower rice with peppers and mushrooms and soy sauce. That is a fantastic meal. All right, I had to keep talking and give you another flyover. That is so friggin' good. That is awesome. Healthy-ish. Not as healthy as I have been eating and continue to eat, but it's darn good. The NuWave Mini is my favorite thing. I have 2 of them. I had a 3rd one. I gave it away to a friend. And my second one will never ever be for sale, no matter how much. They're hard to find because they don't make them anymore, but it's perfect for in the van. Just fantastic. So it helped me make this great and wonderful meal that will make me have a great and wonderful day.